Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I decorated my low budget vanilla cake. Very easy. I've done this butter icing in my last video. If you have not watched it, please feel free to check on my videos, or you go to my description box below. I'll be dropping the link of the low budget vanilla cake and also the butter icing making the video. I'll be dropping on my link below, so feel free to check it out. Okay, today we'll be decorating the cake. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. So feel free to subscribe if you have not. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. It's important to like my video so that other people will be able to see it as well. For the remaining buttercream, I'll be adding blue color and a little extra icing sugar to it to make it a bit firm on the cake, because I'm going to pipe on the cake and on the body of the cake. I'm using melted chocolate for this. In case you have not seen my video on how to melt chocolate, feel free to check on the description box below. It's also on my videos. I have a video on how you can melt chocolate easily. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to get alert of my newest video. Feel free to like my video. Please make sure you like my video. Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you have questions, feel free to drop it on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Bye bye.